Namaste friends, I am Vijeta, your yoga coach. Welcome to Pinaki Yoga. Celibacy pose is the most advanced posture in yoga and seems to be difficult and impossible at the beginner level. It improves your overall body strength, especially your core part. So in this video, I am going to provide you a few preparations for this posture that will help you to take your journey from beginner to advanced. So stay there, we're going to start it right now. So for celibacy posture, you again need strength in your wrist, in your forearms, and second, you need strength in your core. So it's better if you can practice some beginner level exercises of core. You can click up here or down in the description box for the complete drill of core strength at beginner level. Next is your wrist and forearm warm up is important before actually performing this posture. So for your wrist warm up, we're going to do wrist flexion. So keep your hands straight like this. Make a fist and draw your wrist completely inward and make it straight. So keep your fist completely tight so that when you're going to flex your fist, you need to feel this pain in your forearm area. So we're going to do it for 30 seconds. Slowly release. We're going to do wrist rotation like this. Rotate both of your wrists in clockwise direction and anti-clockwise. Do it 10 rounds each side. Slowly release. Next, for your wrist warm up, come to the tabletop position. Do not keep your fingers flat on the ground. Flex your fingers little bit. So stop your body with the help of your fingers while going forward. So inhale here. While exhaling, draw your body completely forward. Feel the pressure, pain in your wrist and slowly come back. Again inhale, exhale, take your body completely forward. Stay here for few seconds. Keep your elbow completely straight and locked. Again exhale. Stop your body here with the help of your fingers. And slowly come back. Now for celibacy position or Brahmacharya asana, you need to do exhale, pull your ribs in towards the spine, contract your chest, head down. Exhale, inhale. Chest open, completely look up. Now again exhale, contract your chest, pull your ribs in towards the spine. Inhale. Again exhale, pull your ribs in towards the spine and look at this fold in my spine. So you need to remember this exhale position when you're going to do celibacy posture or Brahmacharya asana. So if you really want to make it easy, keep your bricks like this because you need little height to lift your body up and come to the straight Dandasana. Keep your bricks little forward to your hips and remember your exhale position. Inhale while exhaling. Alright, pull your ribs in. Again inhale while exhaling. So now here, don't be in the hurry to lift your legs up. Focus on your core and your glutes first. Keep your legs straight and toes pointed so that your complete body will be tight from your head to your toe. Okay. Now keep hands on your brick. Inhale while exhaling. Fold your spine, pull your ribs in and try to lift your glutes Just this. Maintain the form and slowly come down. So don't be in the hurry to lift your legs up. Focus on your glutes and your core part. Put pressure from your core. Apply strength from your core. Okay, inhale while exhaling. Stay here for a few seconds and slowly come down. Now, next progression for this posture is inhale while exhaling. Maintain the form of this exhale posture. Now lift one leg and hold this position. Slowly go down. Slowly release. Now next progression. Inhale while exhaling, lift your body up, maintain the form and lift your legs. Slowly go down. So you see, you need immense energy from your core part, from your overall body strength, and you need flexibility in your legs, in your hamstring also, so that when you're going to lift your body up, your legs do not fold like this. It should be straight like this. Okay, so keep your toes pointed and your complete body tight for this position. Thank you for watching, friends. That's it for today's guys. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please hit the like button, share this video to your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel Pinaki Yoga for further updates. I'll meet you soon next week, next video. Till then, take care, stay fit, stay healthy.